Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to talk about user input and how to take user input in Sharp. So without delay, let's go to our Visual Studio. And here we will learn how to take user input. So we will click on Create a new project. And here we are searching for ConsoleApp.NET Framework. Where are you, ConsoleApp.NET Framework? Where are you? Here it is, so we will click on it. And here we will click on Next. We will give project name. So project name is CWK, you can give any name. I am giving CWK09. Here we will click on Create. And here we are getting our project. So here is our user input. It is automatically given to you. So guys, if we simply sum both numbers. So how to do it? To sum both numbers, we will directly type A is equal to 9. B is equal to 10. C is equal to A plus B. We don't want C, we want C is equal to int. Int C is equal to A plus B. We will type A plus B and console. Console.WriteLine we will type C. So we will use read key. Console.readLine. Are you seeing the benefit of Visual Studio? And here we will click on Start. And it will run the program. Here it is simply printing 19. So this program is working. So we will simply sum both numbers. And when we want to print from user. So guys, let's see how to print from user. How to take user input. So we will comment. It will ignore comment. So we will create an integer. Int ABA. Or whatever you can name. So we will console. Using readLine. We want to take some message. So enter the first number. Enter the first number. We will give like this. We will put bracket and semicolon. And here it is important guys. AUT is equal to convert. Convert to an 32 console read line. We use like this for user print. Copy it. Paste it. Second number. And here it is. You will see the speciality of Visual Studio. That's why we use Visual Studio. I like it. A is equal to A plus B. We will take some message. And we will print it. So we will print the sum of. The sum of. The sum of two numbers. And here we will close the bracket. What happened? We will close the bracket and add the console. And here we will press the tab. And it will complete it automatically. So now we will use readLine. Console.readLine. You can use read key instead of readLine. So it is suggesting to press the tab. So here simply click on Start button. And run the program. So I take 6. And I give 3. To number 9. I hope you understood how to take input from user. And I will see you next time.